Great products aren't created in some single moment of brilliance. No, they're the result of experienced engineers spending weeks and months in a lab and with customers testing and refining the feel of a button or the tension of a switch. And behind them are customer-focused product managers and industry-savvy procurement professionals working with vendors and partners, all to cut 3 days off of a delivery date here or exceed a customer's performance expectations there. Smart folks working long hours across the globe on tiny details. That's what separates the good from the great. It's what C&K has been about for over 60 years. And that's why today, wherever our customers design and manufacture their products, C&K will be there delivering industry-leading solutions from automotive to aerospace, industrial to consumer, medical to telecom. Whenever the top designers in the world need the most unique and reliable switch solution possible, C&K is a part of the solution. For some, that's because C&K offers more than 55,000 standard products and 8.5 million switch combinations. For others, it's C&K's unmatchable design capabilities that allow us to deliver custom-tailored solutions that perfectly match our customers' brand experience. But whatever the reason, from leading global companies to game-changing startups, wherever great products are being designed, C&K is there with the lowest total cost of ownership solution, doing their part in turning good into great, changing just another product into the product that everyone wants, enabling their customers to deliver a world-class brand experience. C&K, the trusted brand in switch design.